Hello everyone, this is Dr. Arti Amin at Corona Foot and Ankle Group. I've got toe tip number 1 for you today. Today I'm going to show you how to or apply a low dye strap. Okay, so we're going to use our 1-inch and our 2-inch athletic tape. We're going to take our 1-inch tape. We're going to go to the non-sticky side. This is the sticky side, so the non-sticky side. And we're gonna measure around the foot from below the baby toe joint to below the big toe joint, just like that. And after you measure it, we're gonna cut 3 pieces of tape all the same size. Now, I've already done this a little bit earlier, so you can see I've got 3 pieces of tape ready to go. So now, Victoria, please flex your foot back. So when applying this tape, you wanna make sure there's no lotion or cream on your foot. Typically do it after a shower, and every evening you want to remove the tape so that you don't create a sensitivity to the adhesive and your skin gets air. You want to make sure your foot is flexed back, and now we're going to go to the sticky side and we're going to apply it exactly where I just measured, just like that. Then you're going to take your second piece of tape and we're going to overlap it by about 50%. So we don't want to drive yourself crazy, but just like that. That's our base strap. Next, we're going to take 5 to 6 pieces of your 2-inch tape and we're going to strap across the bottom. So you might want to look here and see how I'm doing this. And if you're doing it on yourself, you're going to pull. If you have help, somebody's going to push. You're going to go right to the middle of the foot, and as tight as you can, you're going to tape it down, strapping it on our base strap, avoiding wrinkles because that can hurt. Next tape, you're just going to overlap it. Just like that. This particular tape is the last one before the ball of the foot. So you definitely don't want to put tape at the ball of the foot. Kind of makes it hard to flex your toes. Right here, especially for those of you who suffer heel pain, you don't need to cover the back half of the heel because there are no soft tissue structures back there to support, nor are there joints. Go nice and tight. Now we're going to take our last 1-inch piece and see all these edges we've just created with the 2-inch. We're going to seal those down so they don't unroll on you, just like that. I've got an optional last piece of tape. This is optional. You take a larger piece of your 2-inch tape. You're going to apply it loosely across your midfoot, taping it down. Then you're going to take a pair of small scissors and being very careful, right here in line with your big toe, you'll cut a notch that then you can tear so that when you're walking, this part of your foot doesn't pinch you. And that is called the low dye strap.